Welcome to my channel Sahel Languages. Today we're going to be going over the Jumla al-Ismiyya and the Mubtada al-Khabar. Jumla al-Ismiyya, nominal sentence. Nominal sentence is a sentence that begins with a noun. This noun is called the Mubtada or the subject. And Mubtada comes from the verb bada'a, which means we begin the nominal sentence with the Mubtada. The word or the words coming after the Mubtada is called al-Khabar or predicate. Al-Khabar gives information about the Mubtada. The Mubtada and Khabar should be marfu'a. It means that they should carry a dhamma or tanween with dhamma on the last letter when they are singular. In the examples, line number 1, hirrun hadi'un. See, hirrun, the ra has a double dhamma, which makes it the Mubtada. Hadi'un also has a dhamma, and that makes it the Khabar. Himarun, the last letter has a double dhamma, which makes it the Mubtada. And kasulun also has a double dhamma on the last letter, which makes it a Khabar. Ar-rajulu qawiyun. Ar-rajulu, the last letter of the word has a dhamma on it, which makes it the Mubtada. Qawiyun has a double dhamma at the end of the word, and that makes it the Khabar. At-tiflu hazinun. At-tiflu has a dhamma on the last letter of the word, and hazinun has a double dhamma at the end of the word, which makes it the Khabar. The Mubtada and Khabar agree in number. We add the suffix an to make a dual and the suffix un to make the plural. Singular, al-waladu dhakiyun, the boy is smart. In dual form, al-waladani dhakiyani, the two boys are smart. Singular, al-muslimu sa'imun, the Muslim is fasting. Al-muslimuna sa'imuna, the Muslims are fasting. The Mubtada and the Khabar agree in gender. If needed, we should add a ta marbota to make the agreement to the feminine gender. Here are a few examples. Ar-rajulu ja'i'un, the man is hungry. In the feminine version, al-mar'atu ja'i'atun, the woman is hungry. We added a ta marbota to the end of the Mubtada and the Khabar. Another example, al-jaddu karimun, the grandfather is generous. In the feminine state, al-jaddatu karimatun, the grandmother is generous. We added a ta marbota to the end of the Mubtada and the Khabar. Usually al-Mubtada or the subject is a definite noun, either a proper noun like Fatima or a noun with a definite article, al, like al-waladu, the boy. Usually the Khabar or the predicate is indefinite, carries a double dhamma. For example, al-waladu dhakiyun, the boy is smart. If the predicate becomes definite, then we should drop one dhamma, al-waladu al-dhakiyu. But sometimes both the Khabar and Mubtada are indefinite. Waladun dhakiyun, a smart boy, or definite, al-waladu al-dhakiyu, the smart boy. Here are a few examples of agreement of subject predicate. Namlatun saghiratun. The Mubtada and the Khabar end in a ta marbota, and therefore they will agree in gender. Namlatani saghiratani. Both the Mubtada and the Khabar end in a dual form, and therefore they will agree in number. Al-amiluna sabiruna. Both Mubtada and the Khabar end in the plural form, and therefore they will agree in number. المدرسون متعبون. Both the مبتدأ and the خبر end in a plural form, and therefore they will agree in number.